Hi, I just wanted to address your problem with the port. That your cable is coming out every 5 seconds or 5 minutes. Have a look at your cable first. Look, for example, this one is damaged. Here you should have this plastic with locks. On that one I don't have it. If I put it in a port, see, I still can do it, but then I can pull it out with no problem. Let me put a good one in. It will be difficult with one hand, but if I put it in, I put it deep enough. Let me check if I can do it. You should be able to hear a click, and then I cannot pull it out. I think probably, most likely, this one is damaged. So let me pull it again in, and perhaps you will hear the click. See? Let me record it again. And then I cannot pull it out without putting pressure here. So I think this one is broken, or something there that doesn't block the cable. Hope it helps. See you.